So this is a random but YouTube related video. Now you might have seen the title of this video and it says, YouTube invited us to the creator event in Cannes, France. And that's exactly what happened. So I can't say for certain, but I'm pretty sure, all devices and things are listening to what we say. And here's how it all went down. A few weeks ago, I was having a Zoom call with a client, and near the end of the call, I mentioned to them, yeah, I'm going to be going to France. I'm going to be going to France for a business event, a mastermind, and I'm going to be in Cannes, like Cannes Film Festival, that Cannes in France. And I don't know how to properly pronounce it, if it's Cannes or Cannes. Anyways, I ended the call, and then like an hour later, I was in the Essetino YouTube channel, this YouTube channel right here, and I was in the dashboard, and I'm in the dashboard pretty much every day. Like I check on the channel every day, and I see in the right hand area, it says, are you going to Cannes, France? And there was like a notification as well. And I was like tripped out for a second because I was like, wait, what? Why is this in the YouTube dashboard? What is this? And they're like, come to the creator event if you're in Cannes, France. And I'm like, wait, how do they know that I'm going to be in Cannes, France? Like, I didn't post about it. I didn't buy any tickets or anything. I've only mentioned it in like calls when I'm having client calls or just calls with colleagues and stuff like that. And so I'm like, that's so weird. So I clicked on it and it pulled up like this whole form, and it said, are you going to be in Cannes, France during this time? If so, there is a YouTube creator event that you can apply to attend. And I was like, what? I was totally blown away. So there's this whole form. It asks you a bunch of questions like, what's your name, the channel, the link to the channel. Are you actually going to be in France? Do you already have your tickets? Would you want to go to the creator event by YouTube? Are you going with anyone? Like a bunch of questions. And I've filled it out and submitted it, and you do need to apply. So it isn't like an automatic, you can go to the event. But I just thought that was so interesting that we were technically invited by YouTube to this event to apply to attend. And fingers crossed, we actually do get accepted and we can attend. That would be so cool. I've never been to a YouTube event before, and that would be awesome to go to a YouTube creator event in France. Like, I'm already going to France for a mastermind in Cannes, and I'm gonna be in France for about 3 weeks anyways. But I just thought it was so cool, weird, and random that YouTube sent us that invite. Now, I have no idea if we got the invite because we have a certain amount of subscribers. At the time of recording this video, we have 63,000, almost 64,000 subscribers. We've been very consistent on our channel since 2015. We help a lot of entrepreneurs and businesses start YouTube channels. So I have no idea how or why we even received this invite, but I'm super grateful and excited that we even got an invite. And fingers crossed that we do get accepted and we can attend. Obviously, I'll be doing a video on that if we do, but keep an eye out. This video is keep an eye out on like notifications like that in your dashboard. You really never know, because you always just think it's the exact same thing in the dashboard, like it always looks the same. But this one time it didn't. And it's pretty cool that we got this invite. So that's it for this video. It's very random and rare, but I just wanted to share my experience with you, and I will of course let you know if we will be going to the event in France. All right, hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've ever gotten something like that from YouTube down in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Well, there's YouTube. Hello from Cannes, France, the French Riviera. We're right now at
YouTube activation tent. YouTube drive-in.